In this lesson, we are going to discuss the phases of the cloud migration process. Cloud migration is the process of moving data, applications, or other business elements from an on-premise environment to the cloud. The process of cloud migration can be broken down into three main phases: planning, implementation, and then the optimization and security phase. The first phase of cloud migration is planning. The planning phase is critical because it sets the foundation for a successful migration into the cloud. During the planning phase, your organization will conduct a series of steps, including conducting an initial assessment, conducting a cloud readiness assessment, creating a business case, developing a cloud strategy, and selecting a cloud provider. During the assessment step, your organization will assess its current IT infrastructure and identify the applications, data, and resources that need to be migrated to the cloud. Then, during the cloud readiness assessment step, your organization will assess its readiness for cloud migration, including its technical, financial, and organizational readiness. Next, your organization will create a business case. As the organization creates the business case, they will be responsible for outlining the reasons for migrating to the cloud and the benefits that they will hopefully achieve from this migration. Your organization will develop its cloud strategy next. During this step, your organization will outline the steps it will take to migrate to the cloud, including the timeline, resources, and budget requirements. The final step in the planning phase is to actually select the cloud provider. During this step, your organization will determine which cloud provider can best meet your organization's needs while staying within any budget constraints that you may be facing. The second phase of cloud migration is implementation. The implementation phase involves the actual migration of data, applications, and other resources to the cloud. During the implementation phase, your organization will conduct several steps, including data migration, application migration, infrastructure migration, and testing. During the data migration step, your organization will migrate its data to the cloud, including its databases, files, and other data sources. Next, your organization will focus on migrating your applications. During the application migration step, your organization should migrate its applications to the cloud, including its customer relationship management systems, productivity suites, accounting systems, and other critical applications used by the organization on a daily basis. Then, your organization will move into the infrastructure migration step. During the infrastructure migration step, your organization will migrate its infrastructure to the cloud, including its servers, storage, and networking components. After that, your organization will then conduct testing. During the testing step, your organization will test the migrated data, applications, and infrastructure to ensure everything is working as expected, and this will finish up the implementation phase. It is important to have a detailed plan in place to ensure that the migration is completed in a timely and efficient manner. It is also important to ensure that the data and applications are properly configured in the new environment and that all necessary security measures are in place. The third and final phase of cloud migration is optimization and security. This phase involves optimizing the migrated cloud environment and ensuring that it is secure from attack. During the optimization and security phase, your organization will conduct several steps: performance optimization, cost optimization, and improving the security of your cloud-based environment. During the performance optimization step, your organization should be focused on optimizing the performance of its cloud environment, including the applications, data, and infrastructure. This may involve adding redundancy and high availability to your architecture, or it could involve the implementation of content delivery networks and load balancing to ensure you are getting the best performance possible when it comes to your new cloud environment. Then, your organization will move to the cost optimization step. During cost optimization, your company is focused on reducing unnecessary expenses and optimizing its usage of cloud resources. It is an important step because it is easy to migrate to the cloud, but if you don't optimize your cloud costs, you can quickly go over budget or run out of funds to support your new cloud-based environment. There are a lot of things that can quickly drive up your costs, including running a large number of virtual machines during low demand periods and storing multiple copies of different files instead of properly configuring your system to optimally utilize the compute and storage resources. Next, the organization will focus on security. During the security step, your organization will implement security measures to protect its cloud environment, including firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and encryption. Security should never be an afterthought, and you should be thinking about it during your planning, implementation, and optimization and security phases of your migration process. It is much cheaper to design your system securely at the beginning than to try to reconfigure them and bolt on security afterwards for an insecure cloud-based infrastructure. With that being said, even if you build a secure system, you still need to continuously monitor it and ensure that it continues to remain secure. So remember, There are 3 phases that will occur during a cloud migration: planning, implementation, and optimization and security. Each of these steps is critical to the success of the migration and involves a number of different steps that your organization needs to complete. By following these steps, your organization can successfully migrate to the cloud while achieving improved performance, cost savings, and security. Once your organization has successfully migrated to the cloud, you can then start to reap the benefits that the cloud has to offer, such as better performance, more redundancy, decreased costs, and potentially even increased security over your previous on-premise infrastructure, applications, and data.